Hey guys, what's up? This is Prachi and today's video is extra special because this is my third take on this video. So guys, today's video is about reversing graying hair. What do we mean by that? I will not be talking about coloring the hair and things like that because that is not grey hair reversal, that's just covering up. This DIY will color your hair a little bit, but the idea is to actually improve the hair texture and the hair color, in the sense that when the new hair grows from the roots, it's of its natural color instead of grey. Before we move to the DIY, I also want to stress on two important things: genetics and number two, your lifestyle, which also includes your food, or if you're extremely stressed, or something as simple as whether you massage your scalp or not. Let me tell you why massaging the scalp is very important. Whenever you're oiling your hair, just massage your scalp well, which helps in improving blood circulation. So, when there is better blood flow to your scalp, more nutrients are delivered to the roots of your hair, so your hair health improves. It also helps in dealing with hair loss issues. Okay, so that is there. Apart from that, if you're extremely stressed out or if you're not eating right, maybe speak to your doctor once just to figure out, what are the changes you can make, because these are some very important components of your hair health. Now, talking about today's DIY for premature hair graying, guys, a very natural DIY. So the three primary ingredients that you basically need to have: number one, you need Ratan Jot powder. You also need curry leaf powder and amla powder. So I'm using the Alps Goodness Ratan Jot powder because it's 100% organic, pesticide free, preservative free, very natural, very safe for all hair types. For the curry leaf powder, I'm using the Vyam Ayurveda Curry Leaf Deep Hair Cleansing Pack, which once again is herbal, Ayurvedic, paraben free, sulfate free, and suitable for all hair types, extremely clean to use directly on your hair and scalp. And then I'm using the Vyam Ayurveda Amla Hair Growth Pack, once again completely Ayurvedic, herbal, no parabens, no sulfates, guys, and it's great for people with dry hair, frizzy hair, and all kinds of hair problems, guys. Ratan Jot powder is great for dealing with premature hair graying. It also imparts a little bit of color, so it's a temporary color, but while you're dealing with all the premature hair graying, it will help in covering up the grays a little bit as well. Okay, but mostly it's great for reversing graying hair and also for conditioning your hair. Curry leaf, again great for conditioning, cleaning your hair, and also reversing graying hair. Amla, as you know, it's a magical ingredient for a whole bunch of hair issues, including premature hair graying. We will just mix it all up. So I have taken a little container. I'll tell you why I'm mixing it in a container. And I'm just mixing my Ratan Jot powder, curry leaf powder, and amla powder in equal parts. Then take any fatty vegetable oil. So I'm using the Good Vibes olive oil because it's 100% pure, cold pressed oil, guys, non-GMO, no synthetics, cruelty free, and absolutely 100% natural and safe to use. Mix it with oil and then just shut your container lid and leave it like this in bright sunlight for 2 to 3 days. So if the sunlight is extremely bright, 2 days is enough. If the sunlight is not that bright, 3 days or even 4 days is fine. So leave it out in the sunlight because this is when all the active nutrients will get released into the formula and you will get better results. Okay, after 2 to 3 days, what you need to do is take a bowl of warm water, and to this warm water mix all the contents of the container and mix it really well. Now here's a quick warning, guys, this mixture gets extremely lumpy and clumpy, so even when you're applying it, keep mixing it and keep applying it on your hair and scalp. And for how long do you want to keep it on your hair and scalp? It's slightly longer than usual. You need to keep it on for about 2.5 hours. Okay, guys, it's a natural remedy, so it takes time. You have to keep it for 2.5 hours, and after that you can wash it off with your regular shampoo. However, if you feel that your regular shampoo is making your hair dry, you can look for any shampoo which contains argan oil and hyaluronic acid. So the Alps Goodness Coconut Argan Oil and Hyaluronic Acid Shampoo is a perfect fit, guys, because first of all, it's great for hydrating your scalp. If you have dry scalp, it will also help in nourishing it. Plus, it's a completely safe formula with no toxic elements, no bad chemicals added to it. It's very, very safe and gentle shampoo. So you can get this on purplle.com along with the other products shown in today's video. They are all available on purplle.com, which is currently having the Purple Party sale. You can save up to 50% off on your purchases, guys. The sale dates are 21st to 27th of December. So make sure you check out the links shared in the description box below. How often do you want to do this? Well, actually you should be doing it 2 to 3 times a week. If you can't do it 3 times a week, please do it for 2 times a week. Like I just said, guys, it's a natural remedy. You will not see the difference instantly. Okay, let me be very honest, you'll be very disappointed if you think in one day all your problems will be solved. No, you will need to do this for a couple of weeks. You will need to stay patient. But the beauty of this remedy is that number one, it helps in preventing premature hair graying and reversing the graying hair. It is also a fantastic remedy for conditioning your hair, for making your hair shiny and silky. So guys, do give this DIY a try. Okay, try it for a couple of weeks and let me know in the comment section below how your feedback has been, how your experience has been. And in the meanwhile, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell icon for notifications, guys, and keep coming back to Super Style for more. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye-bye.